There, in this tutorial I'm going to discuss about default route, how to configure default routing, and basically this default routing configured in a stub network. Stub network in the sense, for example, this router network and this router network is stub network. For example, if this PC wants to send a packet to this PC, then this router only have one way to go, and that is you have to follow this network. So obviously packets will be transferred from this path, and via this router this will communicate with this PC. Same with this third router, that this router also comes to stub network, because only one way to go means no other way. If you see this router have two-way communication. Either this router can communicate from this or from this. If I connect this router from this router, then all three routers have two-way communication. But currently this router and this router is the end network, end of a network, and that's the reason we can configure default routing in this stub network. Well, currently I can show whether we have routing enabled or not. So 963, no routing is enabled, and that's the reason we're getting error. There we go. So destination host unreachable. So let me configure routing. So IP route. So currently all three networks are just connected. No routing is enabled. So config T, and the command will be IP route space 0.0.0 means any network, 0.0.0 means any mask, and the next hop IP interface, the next hop IP address is times 2 of this network. See, the rule is simple, same like static route. To send the packet, whenever we send a packet from this PC or this PC, the packet will be sent and either enter from this router, which is serial 0/1, and serial 0/1 have an IP address called times 2. So dot 2. So all done. So whatever we in static route, we gave a 2 command. One is for this network, one is for this network, and one is for this network. But here, to be precise, we allow IP route and any network, means any network of this, any network this means any network, whatever network you're going to configure and going to communicate, it will be gone through times 2. So to be precise, so no other command needed. Now in second router we have to configure static routing. Enable. Let me show you. To show IP protocol. Sorry. Show IP Here we go. So show IP route. So currently it's static. You can see it's a star there, and any network going to 10th wave. So show IP route. Okay. So now here we have to configure static routing. So IP route 192.168.0.255.255.255.0, and if this PC wants to communicate with this network, then the router will the entry interface will be 00 by 0, and the IP address of that 0 by 0 is 10.1. Same IP route 192.168.3.0 255.255.255.0, and the IP address we're going with is 22. So 22. Show IP route. Here we go. We configure statically. Okay, it's all done. Now a router 3 here also. IP route same 0.0.0, any network, any mask, and the next hop IP interface will be this network, which is 00/0, so 20 is 1. 20 is 1. So IP route. So let me go to our 5th PC and tries to communicate with one network 1.3. Here we go, start getting a reply. 2.3. Here we go, start getting a reply. So before destination host was unreachable, now we are getting reply even with this PC1 pinging with 192.168.2.2, for example 2. We start pinging, the means routing is enabled. So any network you're going to configure it, any network you're going to pass from next hop IP interface. So here also, and since this network is having two-way to go, that's the reason we have to configure statically. So basically default routing is default plus static routing, and default routing should be configured at only stub networks. So at stub network you will find only one way to go, only one network to go, or only one path to go. I hope you learned something about default routing. It's very easy way to configure routing. I hope you learned something from it. Thanks for watching.